Welcome back to my channel, Miss Diamond Rose. Hello, what's up, Diamond Crew? Hit that subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and you'll know when I'm on with banging new jobs, you guys. Let's get into it. The first job is a customer service job, customer service specialist job, a remote position. That's for $16.50 per hour. It's a contract job, and it's remote in Buffalo, New York. Must be within 2 hours of the following locations and able to report to the office for the first day and as needed for training. Customer service representative highlights. Help our client members through the enrollment process and when making updates to their health care and or pension plans. Calls are not timed. We are looking to provide top-of-the-line services to the clients. We allow you the freedom to take the time necessary to provide the highest level of service. Willing to train good employees. Room for growth. Customer service representative non-negotiable requirements. Strong computer skills. Excellent communication skills. Positive attitude. Must live within 2 hours of the office. New grads, highly encouraged to apply. So if you're a graduate and you just graduated high school or from college, this would be a great job for you to start. Customer service remote in Buffalo, New York. And then they say you have to be within 2 hours of the following locations and stuff. Once again, this is the pay when it's a regular pay. And the bilingual pay is $17.25 when you speak French or Spanish. Fluent French and fluent or either fluent Spanish. Shifts must be flexible between 8 a.m. through 9 p.m. Shift is determined after training. Customer service representative hours. Busy season 40 hours per week and overtime when requested. Off season 32 hours to 40 hours per week, depending on client's needs. Customer service representative duties is to spend most of the time assisting customers. Start out on one client, and with time you will be cross-trained to aid on multiple clients. Spend your day either on the phone or aiding through web chat, conversations, and email. Quickly build rapport and respond to customers in a compassionate manner by identifying and exceeding expectations by responding in a respectful, accurate, timely manner. Consistently meeting commitments via phone, email, and instant message. Ability to customize customer service approach to meet all types of member communication styles and personalities while maintaining professionalism and diplomacy during difficult calls. Handle confidential information with sensitivity and discretion in accordance with HIPAA and data privacy laws and company data security requirements. Skillfully translate health and welfare and pension terms, complex plan information and processes into simple explanations and instructions that customers can understand and act upon. Read and understand client's plan, documents, and online knowledge-based tools while collecting the relevant information to determine immediate requests, questions, and to anticipate the future needs of the member. Demonstrate knowledge, understanding, and compliance with the company and client procedures and guidelines, providing accurate and appropriate information. Maintain and document complete and accurate call and case notes in a professional manner. Regularly participate in team meetings and training. And please contact this number that's down below in this person, Alexis Woodlaw Conley. Customer service. All these are the tags that you guys can look into with this company. They're hiring. It's posted today. The company's name is A-Line Staffing Solutions, and it just got posted today. So if it seems like something that you would love to get into, you guys can go ahead and apply to that. Now my next job is for market force information. It's a customer service rep job, CSR job. It's $13.25 per hour full time. And the benefits of this job, you get a 401k plan, dental insurance, employee assistance program, flexible schedule, health insurance, life insurance. You get paid time off, paid training, vision insurance, and work from home. And for this position, you get a $1,550 bonus in first year, $1,550 per bonus. $1,550 bonus in first year. Okay, the market force information is seeking multiple inbound English customer service representatives to support growth in our Winnipeg operations. This is a regular full-time work-from-home position, no selling required. Benefits we offer. Our company fosters an environment of energy, learning, growth, and development. We are proud to offer the following benefits to our amazing employees. $300 bonus after 90 days of employment. $500 bonus after 6 months of employment. $750 bonus after 1 year of employment. Ability to earn the equivalent of $14 an hour in your first year. Paid holidays. Flexible vacation, sick and flexible flex time. Health insurance, dental insurance, vision insurance. 401k plan. About this company. Market force information helps global multi-location protect their brand's reputation, delight customers, and grow their revenues. We look for talented, collaborative, and creative team members who are passionately committed to helping our clients reach their goals. We value and encourage a collaborative work environment full of energy and ideas. We're all about improving our clients' ability to better manage their own businesses and create better experiences for their customers. Market Force has offices in Canada, North America, and in Europe, including a substantial presence in the UK. Once again, this is the job description. The customer service rep is the direct link to our clients and their customers. And through communicating with customers and accurately recording their feedback while promptly addressing their needs, overall client satisfaction and retention is increased. The professional frontline support offered by the customer service representative directly helps customers to improve their business. A CSR also provides value support to all departments and team members at Market Force Information's Customer Feedback Center of Excellence. This role is a work-at-home position covering a variety of shifts throughout the week. The successful applicant will require open availability between the business hours of 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Central Time, 7 days a week. Please note, you will only be scheduled 5 days a week for 8 hours a day. Your key responsibilities are right here. You have to interact. I'll read some of them. You have to interact daily with clients by phone and web comments to assist them with their inquiry. Provide customer service to our English-speaking client calls. Strong multitasking skills required, with ability to actively listen while simultaneously entering information into various electronic platforms. Meet the key performance metrics of quality, productivity, and attendance per the program requirements. Adhere to the security and technical requirements at all times per our company policies. And training will be 2 weeks of paid virtual training between the hours of 9 o'clock in the morning until 5 o'clock p.m. in the evening, Monday through Friday, to ensure that you are confident in your role. And you must be 18 years of age. These are some of the qualifications I'm going to read out. You must have 1 year of customer service experience or call center experience preferred, and exceptional phone and interpersonal communication skills, and the ability to type swiftly and accurately, 35 words plus words a minute. And must have highly reliable with the ability to maintain regular attendance and punctuality. Must be customer service oriented, empathetic, responsive, patient, and conscious. Our applicant must have open availability across all business operational hours at 7 a.m. until midnight through 7 days a week. And you must have a high school diploma or an equivalent for this job. The minimum requirement equipment must be provided by candidate: a fully functional laptop computer with Windows 10 or greater, equipment not supported by Mac, Chromebooks, and desktop towers. 2.0 gigahertz with a dual core processor or greater. Minimum of 6 gigabytes of RAM, 8 gigabytes is recommended. Minimum of 10 gigabytes of available hard drive space. Antivirus, spyware install. Windows updates install monthly. Standard mouse and keyboard, headset, USB plug and play. Private and secure home office, high-speed internet if shared Wi-Fi, Ethernet card connection is required. Download speed minimum of 30 megabytes per second. Upload speed minimum 5 megabytes per second. We thank all of the applicants in advance for their interest. However, only those selected for an interview will be contacted. Marketforce Information is proud to be an equal opportunity employer. Once again, this job is $13.25 per hour, and after you've been with them for a year, then you will be making another extra dollar, which is $14 and maybe and 25 cents. An extra dollar, so it'll add up to be $14.25. And those perks for when you are with the company for a while, the bonuses per 60 days, 90 days, 90 days, 6 months, and a year. These are the bonuses right here: and paid holidays, sick and flex time, and 401k plan. 8-hour shift. You guys, if you are wanting to apply to this job, they're hiring for 2 candidates for this role only, and they're urgently hiring. They posted today, so you guys jump on it. And that'll be all for the video for today. Hopefully you guys keep on shining, keep your spirits up, because you are someone special, and keep on going. Let's go. You're sparkling, you're dazzling, you know you are amazing. So I hope I see you guys on the next video. Bye.